What's up, guys? Just got back from cleaning up some business in the toilet. But as we said, this thing pulled back, triggered. It did trigger off the 5-2. It's not getting clean follow through, but it did trigger nonetheless. It's getting kind of tight. I don't know if I'm gonna take this trade. This is a 3-lotter right here. Meta, bro. I almost played myself. I thought this was a 50-cent bar, but I look closer. 286.50 minus 285. Yo, that's $1.50. I was about to put 2 lots on this, trading the 15-minute, but I can't even afford 1 lot. Let's just track it. See if it pans out. If I enter that around 86.50 with this, oh shoot, with the stop here, this will be like a mock trade because I can't, it's not within my budget to trade that. AMD looks like it's struggling for real at this 20. So we have any clean trades to take off the 15. Oh yeah, Boeing. We did say it was messy, but looks like it did catch on the 20. Got above, boom, retrace, boom. Enough for you to take profits by now. See what else they got going on. Anything? It's 8 o'clock, 11 o'clock in New York time. JPM's going off now. Clearing this. Boom, missed the first leg, but if it does pull back, 20s here, we could potentially get a buy here. This is clearing off the 15-minute. This comes back, retests this 200 and bounces off. I could see a pretty nice long playing out there. Oh shoot, AMD's triggering at 106.03. We missed it. 36.03, that's 33 cents. That's a perfect 3 lots right there. Normally when you short so close into support, you want at least 1-to-1 or 2-to-1 so that it has room to get there. Then you could potentially break even. From 03, this got to 73. Was that 33 cents? Not quite right. Or was it? 83, 93, 03. Pretty close. It's rejecting hard off this 20 now. Meta is Meta triggering. This thing did trigger off this bar. This red one at 31. This got to 43. It did trigger. I think Meta's gonna go up. This is going into the 5-minute 200, but like 15 minutes a higher time frame, and this thing has room to move. Okay. Boeing, how's Boeing going? Big ass tail right at this 200. JPM, we were looking for that short. Is it gonna play out? KO trending pretty nicely as well. Met, nice downtrend. Morgan Stanley. Morgan Stanley was the one with the AMA trend, right? XOM2. Finally, just finished. Ooh, bad. How is the SPY doing? SPY had a couple trades long this morning. Then it dropped. Looking similar to AMD, yeah? Boom, boom, no follow through. Drop, drop. Sideways. AMA catches up. Triggers, but no follow through. 15-minute, 20s right here. This looks very similar, actually, to AMD. Could be going long off this 15-minute. $15-minute trades means you gotta take less, what do you call it? This looks pretty bullish on the 15. 1 hour is going smack into this 20 though. But this thing just cleared this. This 20 could pull up above this. What price is this? The 20s? 49.20s? If it could hold that, that would be nice. It might be testing right on the 8 right now. 3-bar pullback. Daily has some room to pull up, but 1 hour though. It's like a mini tail right here. 43. This is a small ass bar for $150 stock, bro. Only like 10 cents. AMD is going up, huh? Maybe we could try one lot at 55. 55, stop at 75. Because it triggers over this red bar right here. You have your stop right here. Or should we wait for the 2 minutes of break and try to find a trade there? JPM. JPM, JPM, JPM. Boeing. Boeing coming in for another leg potentially. But the 5-minute 20 not looking good. Ooh, JPM triggering. 43, 44 minus 30. 14. Yo, I could put max lots on at 44. Cause I don't think I could even. I could put like 7 lots, but I can't even get 7 lots. Wait, can I? $150 stock. I guess I could try to get 7 on at 44. Let's try it. 44. I'm really focused right now. Fingers on the hotkeys, getting ready to get in. Good triggers. Okay, the max I could get is 7 anyways. What did I get in at? 44, 45, 44, 44, 45, 45. I'm out at 30. I'm out at 30, bro. Bro, triggers me in and stops out instantly. Like, chill a little bit. $149.30. 14 cents stop times 6 lots. $84 risk. Stop right here at 30. I don't like these tight stops, bro. I like tight stops, but on these slow moving stocks, just be a whole tease at this point. Oh. Stop out. I tried to take a color change off the 8. It didn't work. I might have to call it a day. See what we did wrong there. UE uptrend. Did trigger. Stop. Absolutely no follow through. It is close to the 20. But this has room to move. This is pretty damn close here though. Not gonna lie. The AMD short. Mitad. We just be waiting. We got 40 more bucks to risk. Let's see if we got any setup. Last setup before lunchtime. This thing's still dropping. I guess if you entered here, looked like you got no follow through, but also it never officially stopped out. It could still get to this level potentially. This did not set up again. Amazonia. This could potentially set up right here in a 37 out of 21. This might be my last trade. 48 bucks to risk. This is literally a perfect 48 bucks right here if it triggers. Oh, but it looks like it might be rejecting off this 200. Not gonna lie. And this 20. Not gonna lie at all. That's what it's looking like. Might call it a day. Might call it a day. Nothing's happening right now. And I'm down for the day. What can I do? What is this gonna set up? I don't think so. Things are dropping though. The AAA Apple, Amazon, and AMD, they move pretty similarly. The Apple might look the best because, oh, this is triggered off the 1 hour actually. Boom. Has room to move, has room to move, has room to move. On all time frames, let's see the daily. This looks pretty good for a short. AMD though, smack into this 20. It is coming off this 20. Smack into this 200, smack into this 200. Doesn't look as good as Apple. This is like second place. Below the 20. Below. Getting below at least, if it could close down. Daily. I think the best trade would be Apple though. If we could get in on a pullback, this will be the last trade because we either win or we lose. Yeah. So I think we got 4 losing trades. Wait, what? Man. So first trade lost 81, second 22, third 109, AMD 50, the fourth one 50, and then this JPM one over here on the 8 triggered, no follow through, probably because it's right into that 20, and then that gravitational pull of a 200. Ba-dum-bum-bum-bum. I only like to pop on the 8 sometimes. I don't like it to mess up my decision making. They lie. This is a 7-cent bar, bro. I could go max lots on this thing and not have to worry because, oh wait, I have to worry. I only have 40 bucks left. Chill out, Vic. Triggers at 92, stop at 01. 9 cents stop. 5 lots. This thing keeps getting bigger. Bigger and bigger. 10 cents now. Let's make it 12 cents. There's a 4 lotter. 4 lotter at 92. There's a 4 lotter at 92. Triggers at 92. I'm taking it as the last trade of the day. And that's it. $92. I see 92. I'm pressing it for 4. 92. They lie. Doesn't want to trigger, eh? Looks like it's not triggering. This might have to be a 3 lotter now. Could still trigger, but it just increased the risk. We'll put 3 lots only because our stop has to be at 7. 7 plus 7, 14 cents times 3. Yeah, 42. It did trigger though. $174. 174.07 and I'm out. $174.07 and I'm out for a max loss today. I don't expect this trade to recover all of my losses. 350, that's kind of crazy. But, you know. You never know. These ones off the 8 MA always, I like notice they're just like more likely to stop out for some reason. Need a little love in my life. Risking 14 cents, right? 7 cents to the whole number and then 7 cents over the whole number. 14 cents. This thing gets 2 to 1. No, this thing closes below this low right here. Then I'll just lock and break even and let the trade run. Nah. Then we just take an out for the day. And then reflect why. 07 we're out, 07 we're out. So I don't like these 8 MA plays. Cause then they tend to like just retrace to the 20. Daylight. Sacagawea. Da 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 da. Not looking good. Like once it gets halfway already like that, it's just a warning that yo, you're gonna get stopped the heck out. Cause once price moves there, like it's just more likely to get to the 20 instead of holding that 8. Daylight. I'm spacing out. honestly think it's going to be an L. At this point, it closed above the 8, and my stop is literally in between the 8 and 20, and that's all I have left for the day. I can't even stop out after the 20 and get the help with the 20. So this thing has to go, or I'm done for. Bro, man, I'm mad tired. I woke up in the middle of the night because I thought I heard my alarm, bro. It was like I woke up, hit the computer to see what time it was. Bro, it was 3:40. I'm so confused. Like, did they switch the time back or something? Because I normally wake up at 5. I'm like, did they switch the time back? No, they did not switch the time back. You're tripping. That was pretty funny, though. Yo, this is just taking forever to tell us that we're gonna stop out. The looks of it is that we're gonna stop out, but it's just taking forever to tell us. 2 bars closing above the 20 now. 8. Next bar will most likely go. Shoot, keep going sideways. Don't go up then. Let the 20 catch up and save me. That 5-minute A2, maybe? If I last long enough. We out. Got out at 0809. A bit late, but let's see if it does hold that 20 though. Let's see. We're done for the day though. We took a max loss. Both this 20 and 8 are in the same location. This could have a nice look to it to continue down. If this one triggers under, next one triggers under at 96. AMD ended up going up. Just wait a couple more minutes, see if this triggers or not. Doesn't look like it's gonna hold. It's going to the 200. Unless it tails out. Doesn't look like it though. You know what I'm gonna do today? Today I'm gonna narrow this list down, come up with a 6 to 10 stock watch list. This is too much to just click through. I gotta get intimate with my stocks, know my stocks. Oh, is it tailing out? It could still trigger underneath at 10. Oy. Doesn't look to be going. Alright. Well, that was the day, boys. AMD triggering off that 20. 15-minute 20. Looks to be going back up. I noticed a decent strategy of mine is if I trigger off the 15-minute to go up, what it looks like on the 2-minute, it looks like this first, but then once it gets going, it's back above or below whatever 20. In this case, it's an uptrend, so above, and then it starts trending, and then I look to find ads on a 2-minute, and then trail that all the way up as far as I can. Done that like a good amount of times, and it's worked out pretty good. Took a nail today, boys. And we're back at it again tomorrow. I don't necessarily think we did anything too crazy, to be honest. Like, might just need to improve the execution, pattern recognition, but like psychology wise, I think we're callousing that mind. We're toughening of that psychology, good emotional control. And then the risk management is decent. Just the slippage sometimes gets me, but it's not, I haven't handled it too crazy. You know, this AMD could have been executed a bit better. I don't think I should have gotten out on that double dip. That's a bit funny, but yeah, I think we should have made money on this. And anything else? No. Alright, I'll see you guys for journaling. Thank you.